representing a constituency with 6 mainstream independent schools and numerous small SEND providers, it's very clear that there's a huge amount of anxiety out there amongst mums and dads, school teachers, the impact that this will have. The first key factor is that where private schools are full, the state schools are usually full as well. And parents are clearly finding if they need to move, there is simply not the capacity in the state system locally because of the demographics of pupils at the moment. So we have to ask ourselves the question, does the harm done by this policy produce a benefit in the state sector that would justify it to our constituents? And the government's proposal amounts to less than half of the cost of a single classroom teacher per state school across the whole of England. Not even sufficient to make up for the numbers of children displaced by the impact of this policy. So no great financial gain for state schools that may be feeling pressed. And of course, as has been said, it makes us the only country in the developed world to tax schooling. But more concerning, Dame Caroline, is the impact, firstly, of the reclaimability of VAT, that bringing schools within scope means it is likely that the government will have to repay far more VAT to independent schools than it's going to raise by this policy. But also the impact of business rates, which we haven't spent a lot of time on. And at a time when we know that the average state school in England has a surplus balance of more than £162,000, we have to ask whether this is a policy, given the harm it does to the sustainability of our private sector, that is possibly justified at a time of declining state school roll numbers.
Yeah.